Hello, my name is Nick.
And I'm Cynthia.
Welcome to our house.
So our flat is a typical HDB 4-room BTO flat. It has 3 bedrooms and we've been living here for the past 3 months almost.
So initially we have our own design of what we wanted for our BTO house. So we were actually looking for Swiss interiors. It's because one of the recommendation by a colleague.
My colleague, yeah. And we had a design in mind of what we wanted. But after meeting with Swiss Interior, we found that they had a lot of additional good ideas to contribute to our design. So about the design, there were 3 main contributing suggestions that Swiss Interior made. The first being the master bedroom. What they suggested was actually to create a cove in the wardrobe and then another cove in my dressing table, which would enable the whole room to look more balanced, and at the same time we would have the space to put our bedside items.
The second thing is I really like the design is actually on the main door. So we have a shoe cabinet that actually flush up. At the same time, it's also help to cover up the bomb shelter doors as well.
And for the third part, it's our kitchen island, which, as you know, is my favorite part of the house. So initially, I really wanted the kitchen counter in the center of the kitchen, which I felt was ideal for my baking adventures. But Ronnie politely pointed out that our kitchen would not have sufficient space for that kind of design. He suggested that why not we flush it to the side, then I will have more counter space and the walking space for us to pass into the kitchen would be more as well. So because so many people have been asking me questions about my IDs who have now become our friends, we have invited them over here today to answer some of your questions. So here are our IDs, Ronnie and Victor. As I mentioned earlier, one of the ideas that led us to choose Swiss Interior was actually the kitchen counter over here.
Previously, the Cynthia wanted an island on the center, but it will be quite a small island. So actually, we proposed it to the side as a counter. And actually, she do a lot of baking. Yeah, with the Excel storage basket to put all her baking items and Excel rubbish chute as well, so that the place will not look so messy.
So one of the things that we are actually looking for in terms of building our home is that we want it to be simplicity. Our ID later actually give us more ideas and also to actually the value add in terms of our design.
So basically, other than being concerned about the space layout, there's also the color and the design theme as well. So we actually chose just I think about 2 or 3 different laminates for the whole house to have consistency in the design.
And keep the whole house simple.
Because the 3D design actually came out totally what we wanted. Because I have a lot of friends actually complaining to me when they actually engage with others IDs. The design came out actually totally different from what
they wanted.
So there's a lot of hoo-ha in between over there. So we really like what we have from the Swiss Interior.
I think the main point would be not to hold back any of your ideas first, but let us know what exactly you wanted. Then we can assist you by telling you whether is it possible to do it the way you want or propose you another idea. And most of the time my customers will actually send me pictures of their lights or tabletop or some carpentry to ask me does it match their theme. I think that would be best.
So overall, I think our experience with Swiss Interior has been nothing but pleasant and very fast-free. And if it's your first time renovating your house or if you're a first-time homeowner, I think it's very important to find an ID that not only builds what you want, but gives you a lot of value-adding suggestions and ideas to make the design that you had in mind even better for you.
So my advice to homeowners is to be daring, to give us your ideas so that we can give you a better solution, proposal and advice.
And the most satisfying part will be to actually see our client's face after the renovation and receive positive feedbacks.
So we really like to thank Ronnie and Victor to help us out during this 6 weeks of renovation. And now we have been here for 3 months and we're really still enjoying every moment.
Thank you.